Uh, Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So friend, this is the second video of the CodeSap contest which is going on, which is maximum alternating sum. So what in this question we have given n length of array and we have to find the alternating sum which is maximum. So first now let's understand this question. So friends, what is given in this question? Suppose this is one array, 3 5 4 6 1, right? So we can rearrange the element as we want. Means we can do it like 3 4 6 1 5 or 4 6 1 5 3, right? We can do the rearrangement as in any way we want. But what we want that our this sum, that 3 minus 4 plus 6 minus 1 plus 5, this sum in this element array and this sum in this array, means 4 minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 plus 3, means one we should take positive and another one we will take negative, right? Means a1 minus a2 plus a3 minus a4, this sum should be maximum. So this is the maximum alternating sum that we have to find, right? So now friends, let's understand how we would do this questions, right friend? Suppose friend, this is our array 3 5 4 6 1, right? And we have to do a1 minus a2 plus a3 minus a4, right? So friends, we have to make this sum maximum, right? So you can see we have to have addition sign as well as negative sign, right? So how we will approach this question is that we will take the element which are maximum to be in the positive number and element which are lesser to be in the negative number, right? In this way our sum would become maximum, right? So how we would do that? First, what we would do, we would sort this array. We would sort, then in sorting we would get 1 3 4 5 6. Why I am sorting this array? I am sorting this array because I want positive number to be maximum and positive number to be max and negative number to be min, right? Now after sorting this, what I would do, I would take two pointer I and j. What I would do, I would take this as positive and take this as negative, 6 minus 1. Now this is positive 5 and this is negative 3. And if when I will become equal to j, we will take only positive, plus 4. So for this number, this would be the maximum, right friends? This would be the maximum possible. Now friends, let's take another example to understand. Suppose this is 1 3 2 1 4, right? The maximum in this case would be 4 minus 1 plus 3 minus 2. This would be the maximum sum. 4 plus 7 3 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, right? So how we would approach this question? We would first sort this array 1 2 3 4, right? I would be here, j would be here, right? Then what we would do, we would take max j because it is maximum, we would take this as positive and this number would be as negative, minus 1. Then we would increment I and decrement j. Now we would take j as positive and I as negative, right? So this is how we will solve this question. Now friends, now I will show you the code, how I have coded this question. So friends, you can see here in this is I have taken a scanner, use scanner as input, then t test cases I have taken as the input, then array of n elements, right? Then what I have done, I have sorted this array. After that I have taken one long alternating sum, one variables. Then what I have taken two pointers I and j. I is equal to 0 and j is equal to n minus 1, right? And while I is less than j, what I am doing, I am just adding j and decreasing I, right? And what I am doing for condition, if I is equal to j, as we have seen in earlier case, when I is equal to j, we will just take alternating sum as plus, right? In every other case, we would take j as plus and I as negative, right? And what we would do, we will do I plus plus and j minus minus, and then we will print system.out.println alternating sum, right? And if you can see all the test cases are passing. I hope friends you have understood how we will solve this question. So please subscribe the channel. We will meet in the next videos. Okay, bye.